Ready?
Yep.
Find a good place for shelter. Anytime you're near one of the buildings, that's when you really feel that acceleration of the wind coming around the building. You head right out to the ocean front. The winds are a little calmer, but we're seeing them start to pick up more and more. We were in a lull. Now we've got another rain band coming ashore. Norfolk has been repeatedly gusting over 50 miles per hour. That will increase as the afternoon goes on. One thing that has not decreased that we'd like to see is the traffic. No shortage of incredibly, well, I'll bite my tongue, people who have been coming out. We're talking about dozens of people who have walked by me. And to be honest, I'm pretty much speechless at what we've been seeing in terms of how many people have been driving around. People like what you see behind me, which I apologize for. I don't even want to show it. At this point, I don't even want to show you anymore how many people are out and about, how many cars are driving around. It's just setting a bad example. And honestly, this is depressing to watch at the moment. We've already had 2 people killed in North Carolina. One was killed going outside to feed his animals.